Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Your Channel Name, where we dive into the weird, the wonderful, and the mind-blowing facts about, well, just about anything. If you love learning new things, then smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on these cool facts. Today, we're going on a wild ride through 10 facts that are so unbelievable, you'll be checking Google to make sure I'm not messing with you. Trust me, these are all legit, and they're gonna blow your mind. Alright, fact number 1 is gonna rock your world, especially if you have a sweet tooth like me. Did you know that honey never spoils? Seriously, archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. And guess what? It's still edible. Scientists say it's because honey has a super low water content and a special enzyme that prevents bacteria from growing. So next time you're looking for a snack that'll last you a lifetime, literally, grab a spoonful of honey. Just imagine that honey you're eating could have been around since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. If there's ever a zombie apocalypse, you know what I'm stocking up on. Get ready to have your mind blown by the amazing octopus. These creatures are already super cool with their 8 tentacles and their ability to change color. But wait till you hear this. Octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 of those hearts are dedicated to pumping blood to the octopus's gills, which they need to breathe underwater. And the 3rd heart? That one pumps blood to the rest of the body. But here's where it gets even crazier. When an octopus swims, that 3rd heart actually stops beating. Scientists think it's because swimming is such hard work for an octopus that it needs to conserve energy. Talk about a workout routine. Alright guys, let's talk about the biggest animal on the planet, the blue whale. These majestic creatures are absolutely massive, and I mean huge. They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. But what's even more mind-blowing is the size of their heart. You ready for this? A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. Imagine trying to parallel park that thing. It's so big that a human could literally crawl through one of its arteries. Can you imagine having a heart that big? That's some serious pumping power. It's no wonder these gentle giants need so much food. It's like comparing a grape to a watermelon. Chapter 4. Bananas or berries? Okay, time for a fruit salad of knowledge. Get ready to have your world turned upside down because I'm about to drop some serious truth bombs on you. Are you ready? Here it is, bananas or berries. But strawberries aren't. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's all in the botanical definitions. You see, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower and has its seeds embedded in the flesh. And guess what? Bananas fit that description perfectly. They have those tiny little seeds inside, which means they're technically berries. Now you're probably thinking, but what about strawberries? They have seeds on the outside. And you're right, they do. So, there you have it, bananas or berries. Strawberries are a bunch of tiny fruits masquerading as one. Chapter 5. More stars than grains of sand. Alright, get ready to feel really small because we're about to talk about the vastness of the universe. Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Let that sink in for a second. We're talking about billions upon billions of stars, each one potentially with its own planets and maybe even life. To put that into perspective, there are about 7.5 sextillion grains of sand on Earth. So next time you're feeling stressed out about something, just remember, in the grand scheme of things, we're just tiny specks of dust on a tiny planet orbiting a tiny star in a vast and endless universe. Chapter 6. Lighter in Hudson Bay? Have you ever dreamed of being lighter, like literally weighing less? Well, I've got good news for you. There's a place on Earth where gravity is weaker and you can actually weigh slightly less there. Where is this magical place, you ask? It's called Hudson Bay, and it's located in Canada. Scientists believe that the reason for this gravitational anomaly is a massive glacier that used to sit on top of Hudson Bay thousands of years ago. The weight of the glacier actually depressed the Earth's crust in that area, and even though the glacier has long since melted, the crust is still slowly bouncing back. This means that the gravitational pull in Hudson Bay is slightly weaker than in other parts of the world. Chapter 7. Venus's Crazy Days. Alright, let's talk about Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Now, Venus is a pretty weird place. It's scorching hot, has a toxic atmosphere, and rains sulfuric acid. But that's not even the craziest part. On Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. Yep, you heard that right. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. That's one Venusian day. So, next time you're complaining about there not being enough hours in the day, just be grateful you don't live on Venus. Ever wished you had superpowers? Well, eagles are basically the superheroes of the animal kingdom when it comes to eyesight. These birds of prey have some of the sharpest vision in the entire world. In fact, an eagle's eyesight is up to 8 times stronger than a human's. That means an eagle can spot a rabbit from 2 miles away. Can you imagine being able to see that far? Eagles need their incredible eyesight to hunt their prey. So, next time you're feeling jealous of someone's perfect vision, just remember, they've got nothing on an eagle. Okay guys, I know we're talking about some pretty amazing stuff today, but this next fact is a little, well, let's just say it's interesting. We're talking about sloths, those adorable, slow-moving creatures that live in the rainforest. Now, sloths are known for being pretty chill. They sleep most of the day, they move incredibly slowly, and they only poop once a week. Scientists aren't entirely sure why sloths have such a strange bathroom schedule, but they think it might have something to do with their slow metabolism and their diet of leaves. We've talked about some pretty incredible hunters today, eagles with their sharp eyesight, octopuses with their camouflage skills, but now it's time to introduce you to the ultimate predator of the insect world, the dragonfly. These flying aces are some of the most efficient hunters on the planet, with a success rate of about 95%. Dragonflies are able to catch their prey in mid-air thanks to their incredible agility and their lightning-fast reflexes. They have 2 sets of wings that can move independently of each other, allowing them to change direction quickly and easily. So, next time you see a dragonfly darting around, remember, you're witnessing a master hunter in action. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts that you can now share to impress your friends or just blow your own mind. If you loved this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more cool facts, and ring that notification bell so you're the first to know when I drop a new video. Drop a comment below if you have a favorite fact or if there's something even crazier that I should cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.